Filmora versus Clipchamp. Which video editor is better? Choosing the right video editor can completely change how you create stunning videos without frustration. Filmora offers powerful features, while Clipchamp focuses on simplicity and quick online editing. Filmora and Clipchamp are two popular video editors with distinct approaches. Filmora is a feature-rich desktop application designed for detailed editing, while Clipchamp is a browser-based tool optimized for fast, accessible video creation. The core difference lies in complexity versus convenience. Filmora is a comprehensive video editing software developed by Wondershare, available on desktop platforms. It offers a wide range of tools including multi-track editing, advanced effects, transitions, and color grading. Users can work with 4K footage and leverage AI-powered features to enhance their videos. Filmora's intuitive interface balances accessibility with depth, making it suitable for beginners and intermediate editors who want more control over their projects. It supports a variety of export formats and direct sharing options to social media. However, Filmora requires installation in a more powerful computer to run smoothly, which can limit quick edits on the go. Its pricing model includes subscriptions and one-time purchases, offering flexibility depending on user needs. Ideal users are content creators, educators, and marketers looking for a robust, versatile editor that can handle complex projects without overwhelming the user. Clipchamp is a web-based video editor owned by Microsoft, designed for fast and straightforward video creation directly in the browser. It features drag-and-drop editing, customizable templates, and basic effects suited for social media content and quick marketing videos. Clipchamp integrates cloud storage and allows easy exporting in multiple resolutions without the need for software installation. Its strength lies in accessibility and speed, making it perfect for users who want to create videos without steep learning curves or heavy hardware requirements. However, Clipchamp's editing capabilities are more limited compared to desktop software like Filmora, lacking advanced color correction and multi-track editing. The free tier offers basic tools, while premium plans unlock higher resolution exports and additional features. Clipchamp is ideal for casual users, small businesses, and social media managers who prioritize convenience and efficiency over deep customization. Choosing between Filmora and Clipchamp depends on your editing needs and workflow. Filmora excels in detailed projects requiring advanced effects, multi-layered timelines, and high-quality exports, ideal for YouTubers or educators producing polished content. However, it demands more from your hardware and time investment. Clipchamp shines when speed and ease are paramount, allowing quick edits and uploads directly from the browser, perfect for marketers or casual creators focused on social media videos. While Filmora offers greater creative freedom, Clipchamp provides a lightweight, accessible solution without installation hassles. The trade-off is between power and simplicity. Filmora suits users needing comprehensive tools, while Clipchamp fits those valuing convenience and fast turnaround. Ultimately, your choice hinges on whether you prioritize depth or speed in video editing. Choose Filmora if you want a powerful, feature-rich editor for complex projects and professional quality videos with extensive creative control. Opt for Clipchamp if you need a quick, easy-to-use video editor that works in your browser without installation. It's perfect for fast content creation and social media videos, providing convenience without sacrificing essential editing features. Your editing style defines the best fit.